I've made this fresh, easy pasta salad recipe so many times I've lost count. It's so flavorful thanks to fresh veggies, olives, herbs, mozzarella, and a peppy homemade dressing. You'll love it. Ingredients: 3 cups uncooked fusilli pasta. 2 heaping cups have cherry tomatoes. 1½ cups cooked chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 cups arugula. 1 cup Persian cucumbers, sliced into thin half moons. 1 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1 cup basil leaves, torn. ½ cup minced parsley. ½ cup chopped mint. 1/4 cup toasted pine nuts. Dressing: 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, more for drizzling. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 teaspoon herbes de Provence or dried Italian seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 3/4 teaspoon sea salt. Instructions: 1. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Prepare the pasta according to the package directions or until slightly past al dente. Cook your pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water. Drain it, toss it with some olive oil, and set it aside to cool. 2. Meanwhile, make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, mustard, garlic, herbes de Provence, red pepper flakes, and salt. Note: the dressing will have a strong flavor. It'll mellow once it coats all of the pasta salad ingredients. 3. Chop your cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, mince the parsley, and crumble the feta. Transfer the pasta to a large bowl with the tomatoes, chickpeas, arugula, cucumbers, feta cheese, basil, parsley, mint, and pine nuts. Pour the dressing and toss to coat. Season to taste with more lemon, salt, pepper, or a drizzle of olive oil if desired, and serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.